Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to block searches of your Facebook profile. So first of all, open a browser and log in into your Facebook account and click on your profile here. Settings and privacy. Settings, privacy. Scroll down and here you will find this how people can find and contact you section, and inside of this section you will get some options. Who can send a friend request? Click on edit, click on everyone and select friends of friends. Who can see your friend list? Click on edit, click on public, and now you can select friends or only me. Click on who can look up using the email address you provided. Click on edit and you can select any option from here, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.